I'm Tom from LSI Garage. Today we have our 2006 Fleetwood motorhome. We're going to show you the surge protector that we have for it. A lot of the RV parks that offer the 50 amp service for the motorhomes are not a true 220 volt. Sometimes they can spike way up and sometimes they can be low. This unit here is one of the very, very needful units to have to keep from burning up your appliances inside your motorhome. This would go at the park where you plug in your RV to. You plug this in and then you plug your RV into this, and it will read you your amps that you have available. If there's any sudden surge, this will absorb the surge instead of your motorhome. Also, want to talk about the transfer switch in these. There's a switch in there that is ran through a microprocessor. That is a very delicate circuit. And when you start your generator and you're plugged in, it has to think which has priority. If the generator has priority, it's producing the correct amount of voltage, it will shut the electric off that's coming in from the plug, and vice versa. It's a good idea not to have both of them actuated at the same time, but it does happen. Keep this in mind, and thanks for watching our videos.